heart, you're in my blood. In every step you are beside me. Now and then, speak to me. I need to hear your voice to reach the final victory. When the wounds are deep, when the road is long, you teach me